What's up guys, it's Claude from Visualmodo WordPress teams, and in today's video we're going to learn how to save your tokens on Claude AI. Simple and effective tips in order to have your needs to achieve your goals without hitting the usage limit, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Claude AI and imagine that you have to upload a document, for example, okay? So you have to upload a PDF, a Word and Excel, a document. But it takes a lot of tokens to be written by the Claude AI. How to fix it? You can go to this website right here and you can upload your document or your PDF or your CSV, and they're gonna create for you a markdown option that is perfect for LLM and AI tools, okay? Or when you are on your Google Docs or on your Excel, on your Word, you can go to Files and you can download .md just like this, okay? This is really important, okay? Because AI is gonna read this easier and it's gonna save you tokens independently of the AI that you are using, okay? After, imagine that you are not a developer, you aren't creating some mobile app, you are not creating software dashboards, you have absolutely zero needs for Fable 5, Opus 4.8, you can using the Sonnet 4.6, it's perfect for you. And in the case that you're not sure, you can ask the AI, you can select Sunset, Sonnet 4.6, and you can ask the AI, what is the best AI model for my task, okay, after writing your task down, okay? Claude, I would like to know what is the best AI model for my text, for my needs. And you can even on the Sonnet change into max in the case that you want. It's up to you, but you can be done. Or, for example, imagine that you need to write some calculation, for example. You have no need for Opus, you can use the Sonnet, no worries. And one of my favorite tips, okay, after writing your needs, okay, after writing your prompt, you're gonna give some spaces and type this. Before working on your reply, feel free to ask me questions to understand more about my needs. This gonna makes Claude AI, before writing the work, before working on the prompt you write, ask you questions to understand all your needs and reply you with better results, because every time that Claude finishes a task, it gonna takes you tokens to be done, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Remember to use Sonnet, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.